Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at the Hoover Dam at the state line of Nevada and Arizona. Let's go check it out. See if I can run over somebody. Figure we'd check out the visitor center first. This is crazy. I don't know what these guys are called. I guess you'd think they'd have the Nevada and Arizona flag flying, but I guess not. They have astrology at the Hoover Dam. Yep, there's Gemini. You don't like me tonight, you'll like me in the morning. Yeah. I think it's pretty cool that they have a time clock for Nevada there, and then on the other side of the dam over there they have it, Arizona. Here's Lake Mead.
You guys went up in here?
I remember being here when I was a kid, and I drove over the dam, but didn't stop a couple of times. So this is really the first time I've been here walking around. Pretty darn cool. Well worth a stop. Alright, I'm standing right on the state line. So half of me is in Nevada and half of me is in Arizona. Or vice versa. Over there, Nevada. Over there, Arizona. I'm on the other side of the dam here, and again I'm standing on the Arizona and Nevada line. I'm in Arizona, I'm in Nevada. Hey guys, the Hoover Dam is worth the stop. I didn't take the tour, but I think it cost about 30 bucks at this time to take it. One of these days I'll come back out here and take it. But if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, let me know where you're at and what you think. And also share, all that stuff helps. Catch y'all on the road. Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here with two good friends of mine, Doug and Jeff. Say hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
Hi, guys.
And we're at, where are we at?
Macworld / iWorld.
The columns are pretty massive under this thing too. I know I say this all